Assalamu alaikum students, I am Shakeel Ahmad and our today's history topic is the Delhi Proposals 1927. In this regard, we will discuss this topic under two headings, background and proposals. So first one, the background. In 1927, Muhammad Ali Jinnah called all the Muslim leaders at Delhi. He organized a conference. So the purpose of that conference was to discuss how Muslim interests should be protected in the future time period. He was particularly very enthusiastic and keen to discuss the future of Muslims regarding separate electorates. In any future constitutional reform. So in the Delhi conference, a number of demands were settled down and finalized, and those were known as the Delhi proposals. So one by one, we will discuss those. First one was the demand or the proposal that Muslims should be given one third of the total seats in the central legislature through joint electorates. Second one, Sindh should be given full provincial status because during the British time period, Sindh was not given the full-fledged provincial status and authority. Next proposal was all British reforms in India should be extended to Balochistan and North-West Frontier Province. Like since these two provinces were the Muslim majority area and they were not given the same status like other provinces they are located in in central India or likewise. Next one is the number of seats to be given to the Muslims in the Punjab and Bengal should be proportional to the Muslim population living over there. It means that Muslim seats should be allocated according to the Muslim population living in Punjab and Bengal. At the end, Jinnah declared that if those proposals were accepted by the governmental authorities, the Muslims would call off the demands regarding the separate electorates.